Dear students, in the previous class, we have studied about the theoretical part of the complex numbers. Now, let us see some examples about the complex numbers. Example, if 4x plus I into bracket 3x minus y is equal to 3 plus I into minus 6, where x and y are real numbers, then find the values of x and y. Solution. Given 4x plus I into bracket 3x minus y is equal to 3 plus I into minus 6. Here he has given that left hand side is equal to right hand side. If both the complex numbers are equal, it means their real and real parts and imaginary parts are separately equal. That is, by equality of two complex numbers, 4x is equal to 3 and 3 imaginary part 3x minus y is equal to minus 6. 4x plus 3 is equal to 4x is equal to 3 means x is equal to 3 by 4. This implies 3, because we know the value of x, that is 3 by 4 minus y is equal to minus 6. This implies 9 by 4 plus 6 is equal to minus y. Akkade tagandu plus y minus 6 ane ikkade tandi. Then LCM of 9 by 4 plus 6 is 4. 4 ones are 9 plus 6 24 is equal to 1. Therefore, y is equal to 33 divided by 4. Therefore, x is equal to 3 by 4 and y is equal to 33 by 4. Next example, express in the form of a plus ib. First one is minus 5i into 1 upon 8 into I. Solution. This is minus 5 into 1 upon 8 is 5 by 8 into I square is equal to minus 5 by 8 into, because I square is equal to minus 2. It is 5 by 8. So, in the form of a plus ib, 5 by 8 plus 0 into I. Next, second one, minus I into 2i into minus 1 upon 8 into I whole cube. Solution. Minus I into 2i minus 2i square into minus 1 upon 8 cube into I cube. This is minus 2 into minus 1 into bracket minus 1 divided by 512 into I cube. This let I square into I cube. then this is equal to minus into minus become plus 2 divided by 512 into I to the power 5. So this is equal to 2 on the 1 divided by 256 into I raised to 5 is I. So this is equal to, in the form of A plus IB, 0 plus 1 divided by 256 into next example. Find the multiplicative inverse of 2 minus 3i. Solution. Let z is equal to 2 minus 3i. We know that z inverse is equal to z bar divided by modulus of z square. This implies z bar is 2 plus conjugate of z is 2 minus 3i conjugate to 2 plus 3i divided by modulus of z, that is 2 square plus of 3 square whole square is equal to 2 plus 3i divided by square root whole. 2 square 4 plus 9 is 2 plus 3i divided by 13 is equal to 2 by 13 real part plus I into 3 divided by 13. ಇದು ನಾವು ಈ ರೀತಿನೂ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. ಆರ್ ಲೆಟ್ z is equal to 2 minus 3i, then z inverse is equal to 1 upon z is equal to 1 divided by 2 minus 3i is equal to 2 minus 3 complex number denominator bantu, so 2 minus 3i into rationalize ಮಾಡಿ 2 plus 3i divided by 2 plus 3i is equal to 1 into 2 plus 3i 2 plus 3i divided by a plus b into a minus b, it is a square minus b square is equal to 2 plus 3i divided by 4 minus, here we have I square is minus 1, it becomes plus 9. So this is equal to 2 plus 3i divided by 13 is equal to 2 by 13 plus 3 divided by 13 into next example. Represent the complex number z is equal to 1 plus I root 3 in the polar form. Solution. Given z is equal to 1 plus I root 3 which is equal to the polar form, general polar form is r into bracket cos theta plus I sin theta. Now equating the real and imaginary parts separately. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪೋಲಾರ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಮಾಡ್ಯುಲಸ್ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಬೇಕು, ಆಂಪ್ಲಿಟ್ಯೂಡ್ ಅನ್ನು ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಬೇಕು. ಬರೀ ಮಾಡ್ಯುಲಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯೋದಾಯ್ತು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ z is equal to square root of x square plus y square ಅಥವಾ a square plus b square ಇಷ್ಟನ್ನು ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿದ್ರು ಸಾಕು. ಆದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಇಮ್ಯಾಜಿನರಿ ಪಾರ್ಟನ್ನು ಸಹಿತ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯಬೇಕಾಗಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ so equating real and imaginary parts separately, then r cos theta is equal to 1, call it as number 1, r sin theta is equal to root 3, call it as number 2. Next, square and add 1 and 2. Then r square cos square theta plus r square sin square theta, left hand side, sin square theta, right hand 1 square plus root 3 square. That is r square into bracket, take r square as a common factor, remaining is cos square theta plus sin square theta is equal to 1 plus 3. So r square into, because cos square theta plus sin square theta is equal to 1 is equal to 4. So r square is equal to 4, means therefore r is equal to 2. Next, from 1 cos theta is equal to 1 by r. It is 1 by, because r is equal to 2. From 2 sin theta is equal to root 3 by r. It is root 3 by 2. So theta is equal to find the amplitude here, cos is plus and sin is also plus. So theta value is sin s degree is equal to root 3 by 2, cos s degree is equal to 1 upon 2, cos sin 30 degree, sin 60 degree root 3 by 2 cos. So it is in radian form, it is 5 by 3, 60 degree. Therefore polar form of 1 plus I root 3 is equal to r. R is 2 into bracket cos 5 by 3 plus sin 5. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಆಂಗಲ್ ಅನ್ನು ನಾವು ಆಂಪ್ಲಿಟ್ಯೂಡ್ ಅನ್ನು ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯೋ ಹೊತ್ತಿಗೆ ನಾವು ಒಂದು ಟೇಬಲ್ ಅನ್ನು ಬೆಳಿಗ್ಗೆ ಈ ಟೇಬಲ್ ಅನ್ನು ಉಪಯೋಗ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ನಾವು ಥೀಟಾದ ಬೆಲೆ ಅಥವಾ ಆಂಪ್ಲಿಟ್ಯೂಡ್ ಅನ್ನು ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯಬೇಕಾಗ್ತೈತಿ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್, express I to the power minus 35 in the form of a plus ib. ಈ ನಂಬರು ಯಾವ್ದು ಬೇಕಾದರೂ ಆಗಿರಬಹುದು. ನಾವು solution I to the power minus 35, 1 divided by, because it is in the form of negative, so I to the power 35 is equal to 1 divided by I to the power 35 ನ ನಾವು I square ಫಾರ್ಮಿಗೆ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ I square is equal to minus 1. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ I square is equal to minus 1 ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಈ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಇಂದ ಈ 2 ದಿಂದ ಯಾವ ನಂಬರಿಗೆ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 35 ಅಥವಾ 35ಗೆ ಹತ್ರ ಬರುವಂತ ನಂಬರು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ 17 34 ಆಯ್ತು. ಬಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 35 ಐತಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಂಟು I is equal to 1 divided by I square minus 1 whole to the power 17 into I is equal to 1 divided by minus 1 power odd number 8. ಹಂಗಿದ್ರೆ minus 1 ತನ odd number ಟೈಮ್ಸ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 1 into minus 1 into I ಸೊ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 1 ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಬೈ ಮೈನಸ್ ಐ ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರಿಗೆ ಬಂತು, ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಅದನ್ನು ನಾವು 1 ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಬೈ ಮೈನಸ್ ಐ ಇಂಟು ರ್ಯಾಷನಲೈಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೆ. Then 1 into I is I divided by minus I into I square. It is I divided by minus into, because I square is equal to minus 1, so I divided by 1 it is equal to I. ಹಿಂಗ ಒಂದು ವೇಳೆ ಇದನ್ನ 39 ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರೆ ಅವಾಗ ಇದು ಐ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾಗೆ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ನಂತರ ಈ 2ರಿಂದ ಈ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದ ಈ ನಂಬರ್ಗೆ ಎಕ್ಸಾಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ ಅಥವಾ ಹತ್ತಿರ ಬರುವಂಥದ್ದು ಯಾವ ನಂಬರಿಂದ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಬರ್ತದೋ ಅದನ್ನು ಇದು 38 ಐ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಇದು 19 ಮೈನಸ್ 1 ಇದು ಆಡ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಗಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಮತ್ತು ಮೈನಸ್ 1 19 ಸಲ ಗುಣಿಸಿದ್ರೆ ಮೈನಸ್ 1 ಬರ್ತೈತಿ. ಸೇಮ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಬರ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತದೆ, ಐನ ಬರ್ತೈತಿ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್. Convert the complex number minus 16 divided by 1 plus I into root 3 in the polar form. Solution. Given minus 16 divided by 1 plus I root 3. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾಂಪ್ಲೆಕ್ಸ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಇದನ್ನ ಪೋಲಾರ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ನಾವು ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಕ್ಸಾಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಐ ವೈ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಈ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರುವಂಥ ಕಾಂಪ್ಲೆಕ್ಸ್ ನಂಬರನ್ನು ಮೊದಲು ನಾವು ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಐ ವೈ ಅಥವಾ ಎ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಐ ವಿ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಇಮ್ಯಾಜಿನರಿ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಕಾಂಪ್ಲೆಕ್ಸ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಇದನ್ನು ನಾವು ರ್ಯಾಷನಲೈಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. minus 16 divided by 1 plus I root 3 into 1 minus I root 3 divided by 1 minus I root 3. ಈಗ is equal to minus 16 into 1 minus I root 3 divided by a plus b into a minus b 1 square minus I root 3 whole square. Then this is minus 16 into 1 minus 16 minus 16 into I root 3 divided by 1 plus, because I square becomes plus 1 into root 3. It is 3. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು ನಾವು. ಇದನ್ನು 60 is equal to minus 16 into bracket 1 minus I root 3 divided by 1 I square is plus, this is 3, it is minus 16 into 1 minus I root 3 divided by 4. Here 4 1s are 4 4s are. So it becomes is equal to minus 4 into bracket 1 minus I root 3. This is minus 4 plus 4 root 3 into I. ಈಗಿದು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಕಾಂಪ್ಲೆಕ್ಸ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲೆಸ್ಟ್ ಫಾರ್ಮು ಎ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಐ ವಿ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಒಳಗೆ ನಾವು ಲೆಟ್ minus 4 plus 4 root 3 into I is equal to R into bracket cos theta plus I sin theta. Equating that real and imaginary parts separately. Then minus 4 is equal to R cos theta, we'll call it as number 1. Next 4 root 3 is equal to R sin theta, call it as number 2. Square and add 1 and 2. Then it is R square cos square theta plus R square sin square theta is equal to minus 4 square plus 4 root 3. r square cos square theta, it is take r square as common factor, remaining cos square theta plus sin square theta is equal to 16 plus 16 into 3. So r square into cos square theta sin square theta is equal to 1. It is 16 plus 48. That r square is equal to 64. Therefore, r is equal to 8. Next, from 1, here modulus is 8. To find the amplitude, from 1, r cos theta is equal, cos theta is equal to minus 4 divided by r is equal to minus 4 divided by r. R is 8. It is minus 1 by 2. From 2, sin theta is equal to 4 root 3 divided by r. This is equal to minus 4 root 3 divided by r. R is 8. 4 1s are 4 2s are. Is equal to root 3 by 2. Therefore, theta is equal to. Here, cos theta is minus. To find the amplitude, cos theta is minus and sin value of sin theta is plus. So, the value of theta is 5 minus alpha. Ega sin s degree is equal to root 3 by 2, cos s degree is equal to 1 by 2. It is 60 degree. It means pi by 3 is equal to 2 pi by 3. Therefore, polar form of given, that is minus 16 divided by 1 plus I root 3 is equal to r. R is 8 into bracket cos 2 pi by 3 plus I sin 2 pi by 3. This is the polar form of the given complex number. Next, quadratic equation. Next. Illi, now a number, an equation ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Here a is not equal to 0. ಈ equation ಅನ್ನು ನಾವು quadratic equation ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೇವೆ. ನಮಗೆ ಈ equation ದ highest power ಎಷ್ಟು ಇರ್ತದೋ ಅಷ್ಟು x ಗೆ ಬೆಲೆ ಇರ್ತದೆ. ಅದನ್ನ ಫಂಡಮೆಂಟಲ್ ಥಿಯರಮ್ ಆಫ್ ಆಲ್ಜಿಬ್ರಾ ಹೇಳ್ತದೆ. An equation having nth power has n roots. So here highest power of this equation is 2. So this equation has, or the value of this x is 2. So to find the, or to solve this quadratic equation, we know Caesar Niyama, minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. ಈ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾನ ಉಪಯೋಗ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ಕ್ವಾಡ್ರಾಟಿಕ್ ಇಕ್ವೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ನಾವು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಇಕ್ವೇಷನ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಲೀನಿಯರ್ ಇಕ್ವೇಷನ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ, ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಇದ್ರೆ ಕ್ವಾಡ್ರಾಟಿಕ್ ಇಕ್ವೇಷನ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ, ಥರ್ಡ್ ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಇಕ್ವೇಷನ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಕ್ಯೂಬಿಕ್ ಇಕ್ವೇಷನ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ, ಫೋರ್ತ್ ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಇಕ್ವೇಷನ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಅದನ್ನ ಬೈ ಕ್ವಾಡ್ರಾಟಿಕ್ ಅಂತೀವಿ ಅಥವಾ ಕ್ವಾಡ್ರಾಟಿಕ್ ಇಕ್ವೇಷನ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಅದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಪವರ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ವು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಅವನ್ನ ಪಾಲಿನಾಮಿಯಲ್ ಇಕ್ವೇಷನ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಈಗ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಪ್ಲಸ್ 1 ಮೈನಸ್ 1 ಎರಡು ಬೆಲೆ ಇರ್ತವು. ಆ ಬರುವಂಥ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಬೆಲೆ ರಿಯಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಆದರೂ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಇಮ್ಯಾಜಿನರಿ ನಂಬರ್ ಆದರೂ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಈ ಕ್ವಾಡ್ರಾಟಿಕ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಇಕ್ವೇಷನ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ 2 is equal to 0. This is a quadratic equation. Solution: x square plus 2 is equal to 0. So this implies x square is equal to minus 2. So So this implies x is equal to minus x square is equal to square root of minus 2 plus or minus square root of minus 2. This implies x is equal to plus or minus, because now ಇದನ್ನ root of minus 2 ನ root 1 into root 2 into 2 ಬರೀಬಹುದು. ಇದನ್ನ ನಾವು root of minus 1 into root of 2, because root of minus 1 is equal to I into 2. So x has two values, one is I root 2, another one is minus I root 2. Next example, solve x square plus x plus 1 is equal to 0. Solution. Compare this quadratic equation with the standard equation ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Here a is equal to ax square, a is equal to 1, b is equal to 1, c is equal to 1. So x is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a is equal to minus b minus 1 plus or minus square root of b square 1 square minus 4 into a, it is 1 into c, it is 1 divided by 2 into 1, it is equal to minus 1 plus or minus square root of 1 minus 4 divided by 2. It is equal to minus 1 plus or minus square root of minus 3 divided by 2. This is equal to minus 1 plus or minus I root 3, because of this minus I root 3 divided by 2. Next example, solve x square plus x divided by root 2 plus 1 is equal to 0. Solution. X square plus x divided by root 2 plus 1 is equal to 0. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಈ ಇಕ್ವೇಶನ್ ಅನ್ನ ಕ್ವಾಡ್ರಾಟಿಕ್ ಇಕ್ವೇಶನ್, ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ ಕ್ವಾಡ್ರಾಟಿಕ್ ಇಕ್ವೇಶನ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾಗ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಬೈ ರೂಟ್ 2, ದೆನ್ root 2 x square plus x plus root 2 is equal to 0. Here also compare this equation with the standard equation of quadratic standard equation. Then a is equal to root 2, b is equal to 1, c is equal to root 2. So x is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a is equal to minus b 1 plus or minus square root of b 1 square minus 4 into a into c, that is root 2 into root 2 divided by 2 into root 2. Is equal to minus 1 plus or minus square root of 1 minus 4 into 2 divided by 2 root 2 is equal to minus 1 plus or minus 1 minus 8 divided by 2 root 2 is equal to minus 1 plus or minus square root of minus 7 divided by 2 root 2. So therefore x is equal to minus 1 plus or minus, because of this minus it is I root 7 divided by 2 root 2. These are some examples about the complex numbers and quadratic equations. Okay, thank you.